Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the interval time between notification event and recording on your Eufy indoor cam S350. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our Eufy app and find our connected camera. So it should look like this, and we're going to click on the three dots and click on the gear icon to open up the camera settings. You scroll down to notifications and click on notification, and down here you have the interval time option. So basically what it does is it changes the interval time between the event notification and recording, and it's basically in minutes. So if you select like 3 minutes, it's going to change the time between notification and recording to 3 minutes. And that's about it. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.